Hi guys, so this is our sample survey questionnaire. So it has already been approved, and also our letter here. Here is our letter. It's already been also approved by Ma'am Rabaka, Sir Luriben, Ma'am Birago, the acting baby academic affairs, Ma'am Liza Dalagan, the education coordinator, Sir Marjon, the college president. So we are going to also hear our sample respondents. So what we are going to do here is we are going to cut it out because we are going to have a random sampling. We're done we're done cutting our respondents' names. So now we'll have a random sampling, and the names here includes all the education education students, such as from BSED English first year to
fourth year,
third year,
first year to
third year,
from
first year to third year from the
Filipino, education and arts.
Last year's school year 2023-2024 second semester. So first year to third year. So not just BSED English but also BSED Filipino, BSED Math, BAELS, BSED, BEd, BPED. Oh, the 7 education department. Now we are going to have a random sampling, and the first name from the BSED English third year, Donreal Juban. Tadadan, tadan. So we are going to have a random sampling. So we are going to put the names that we pick from this picture. No? Ano to siya? Ano ito yung butang?
Gunitan.
Here. So if you ask us how we get, if you will ask us how did we get our respondents, so we solve it using the solvents formula by the margin of error of 8%, and we come up of a total of 116 respondents, and we are going to have it by random sampling. Done choosing our respondents. So these are our total respondents, the 116. And by the way, just don't mind the background because hinanagin na sila guys. So there are lots of remaining students here, and our respondents here, we will organize this by encoding it in the laptop in the Word document. So after we are done organizing the names and the program and the year level of our respondents, so we can conduct our survey and send our Google form after we are going to have our orientation, maybe around next week or next week. So by that we can have our results of our research, and we will also show you our progress of our research in our Google form. That's all. Guys, we are nearly done encoding our research respondents. So these are our respondents from BSED English, BSED Filipino, BSED Math, BSED, BEd, BPED, and BAELS. So this is our sample research survey questionnaire about learning facilities in relation to academic performances. So the first part is all about respondents profile, and the second part is all about the physical plant and instructional facilities. Here you can answer our research, our Google research questionnaire, survey questionnaire. And here we are guys, this is one of our survey orientation. So among respondents karon kay BEd ni sila, and this was happened during the Teachers Day. Orient na mo sila what was our research all about, what is our purpose, and unsaon nila pag-answer among research. So also you were experience having a class that the learning facilities are lack of chairs, or the classroom is very new or very hot. Dugay kay mga answer among respondents guys. Naabot na gid siya og 16 gikan sa to. Among respondents guys kay di gyapon mga respond, sige ra mig follow up then paabot gyapon mi hantod karon. Pero at least niabot na 112, gamay na lang.